Today I am doing this thing, and this is like a picture that I will be using in a pitch Bible for a TV series that I'm doing. So how did I do this? I actually did this inside Unreal Engine. I just took a screenshot of this and I created this thing, which is pretty amazing. So what I'm doing today is create a new scene. Let me just show you what's happening here. So as you can see, this is a 2D plane in the background. I did that because it gives me more control when it comes to lighting, and it makes, like, I don't know, it just helps me work this way. And I like this workflow because I can put lights where I want, and I can, you know, just basically compose my shot. As you can see, I have a rectangular light here, just giving a bit of a rim light there. I have another spotlight there, just some rim light from here, and just lighting these rocks. I use this one, it's like a little spotlight there, giving a little bit of some definition there. So alright, let's go. So first thing I need to do is probably create a new map. I might just duplicate this and make photo session 6. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so photo session 6, let's go. And really, Unreal Engine, man, is the best thing that ever happened to filmmakers. I'm completely amazed with this program. I just can't stop saying good things about it because I think this is the salvation of indie filmmakers, to be honest, because you can do stuff for cheap. And who doesn't want to do stuff for cheap? Well, I do, because as we know, there's almost no money in making films. And if you can do it for no money or little money, then you just lose a little bit of money. You don't lose all your money or a lot of money. So what do I want to do? Okay, first thing, I want to change that sky. Here we go, boom, and apply, and save. And here we go. We have our new sky. That is cool. Of course, the lights need to change, so I will do that later. But now I don't want that. I should have created. Yeah. Sorry, let me just do something here quickly because I don't want to lose the other one. Let me just try to undo. Can I undo? What I'm doing is because I don't want to. I should probably create a material instance instead of a material, because otherwise this material will affect all my will show up in all my other levels that I already have that I've done with this material. So okay, so I created that. Just apply and save. Okay, and what I'm doing now is I'm creating a material instance. I'll call it image sky 2. Okay, and now on this guy I'm going to put a new sky there, my new sky. And what's going on here? Ah, shit. Alright, no problem. I'll just do that. And I'll come here and I will Actually, that could work. I could just remove these guys. I'm really new to Unreal Engine, to be honest, and I most of the times I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just, you know, I'm just trying stuff, and sometimes stuff doesn't work. So I always try to be as little destructive as I can. Did I do something really stupid now? because I wanted, oh no, emissive color, that's right. Boom, emissive color. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm really new to this, but I think, man, I just got amazed when I saw Mandalorian and all of that crap, and I just thought this is the future of filmmaking. You know, my previous film, Killer Sofa, took me 2 years to make, and I would like something that allows me to create stuff faster. So Unreal Engine, I don't know where this will go, but I think right now I don't see any options, to be honest, to be creating something really amazing. Okay, so let's go. What I'm doing, probably I'm going to delete all these guys. Don't know what they're doing there. I think I'm going to be moving this, the plane, just copying the plane. Where are you? Plane with image. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's not right. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna make a copy and turn this guy around, so that way we have nice reflections on the water. I'm using ray tracing stuff to make this look really good. Probably this needs to be like that a little bit, and I'm just gonna hide the horizon a bit. Alright, so what am I putting there? I was playing around with a couple of concepts, but what basically I need to show here, I think it's these guys basically meet other robots who live inside appliances, and it's a bit of a post-apocalyptic world, so I want to show like other types of scenes that can happen in the film, but I don't have time to go and recreate those scenes. You can actually see the little short film I already did with these guys, just showing what they can do. It's just really a sample, but but I cannot just. Oh, and I bought these guys in the marketplace, by the way. But I cannot just keep buying stuff and maybe not using it. So what I've done was actually I took a photo of an asset that is being sold in the marketplace, and I made it, I made a little composition in Photoshop, and I kind of made a plane that I'm going to try to use here. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm just gonna see if it works. If it's too cheesy, maybe I'll just buy the asset. I think it's $10 or $15, and I'll try to make it work. So the first thing I need, I already have here the texture. This is what I did, right? There's a fridge, and there's this little guy that lives inside a fridge, and there's like a little photo of a family. Maybe it was the family that adopted this guy. Anyway, and I created this PNG file. I think it's a Targa file with an alpha, and that's what I'm trying to put in that scene. So I'm just going to create a plane. Just drag the plane here. Just rotate the plane. Make it bigger. Right, something like that. Make it maybe stationary. And I'm just going to drag and drop this thing into the plane. And voila, here we go. We have our object there. And that's it. Here you go. Of course, because this is a plane, it will only work in a certain camera angle. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to be faithful to the photo. Like this photo was taken from this angle. This is basically, I based everything around this fridge. So I'm just gonna try to have my angle be something like this. So, but I'll deal with that a bit later, which should be, you know, pretty close to where we are. But you see, if I come here, it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be strange. I don't think this will work, right? And then if I come here, because there's only one side, you can only see from one side. But if you know, I'm thinking now that if I make an angle, a shot like this, you know, maybe it could work, you know, and maybe I can just apply, go to Photoshop later, and probably just blend it a bit better, I suppose. Or I can try to make everything inside Unreal Engine. That'll be awesome if I can do that. But I don't know if I'll be able to do that, but I'll try. Okay, so I can see that the background is a bit close, so I'm just going to move the background a bit. Just put it a bit there, maybe make it a little bit bigger, and yeah, something like that. Maybe a mountain in the background. Why not? So maybe I need to. I can see a problem here already. You see, there's a little bit of a contour there, and I don't think I like that. So maybe what I'll do is I will copy and paste some of these rocks that I got from Megascans, which amazing company. Love those guys to death. And Quixel. I think they're Quixel. Just gonna put this here and just hide that. What about that? And there you go. Problem solved almost, because now I have that guy there. Just showing me a little bit of. Yeah, I don't like that, but let me see if I can move this guy and make it, hide it a bit. Trying to do is hide that little bit of contour. Here we go. Brilliant. Okay, not too bad. There's a little bit of a funny thing happening with that door there. Maybe I'll just rotate this, make this a little bit like that, and there we go. Yep, not too bad. Nice. All right. So what am I seeing here? That plane, I think I'll move it a little bit in the background. Let me see if I can just move it there. Right. Yeah, and there's this light there. Okay. You know what? Maybe I'll try to figure out. Yeah, this could, you know, this could work for me. Something like that. Yeah, to get those nice reflections. And the plane is a bit odd there. Maybe I'll just don't know. I don't really like that line there. It just looks a bit strange. It looks good like this, but when you come like that, there's those tiny strange reflections there. I think it has to do with ray tracing or something. You see, then there's some stuff there. It's like because the water reflects this thing. And like I say, man, I still have so much to learn about this program, but I'm looking forward to tame it and do amazing stuff with it. Maybe this can be corrected later. Okay, so what do I want to do here? Maybe I'll try to move the lights a little bit and see what happens. But first, I think I'm going to create a sequence, and I'm going to create maybe photo shoot 6. Yeah, because this is photo session 6. So I'm just going to cinematics, add level sequence. Photo shoot 5. Let's put photo shoot 6. Okay. So now I have my new sequence. I'm just going to create a camera in this sequence. Here's my camera. Okay, and I'll change the settings in the camera a bit later. So, what do I want? I want to change these lights because obviously this is blue and these lights are not blue. This is 3500 Kelvin. This is probably 7000 Kelvin. So what I want to do is, okay, I'm gonna start moving my lights. I'm gonna just get rid of this for the moment. And I'm gonna just maybe either put new lights or change the lights I have. Let's go. Let's see what we have here. We have this light. First, I'm just gonna change the temperature. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of blue there. And then I'll make this guy. What's this guy? What is this doing? Is this illuminating the... Probably it's just illuminating the... Yeah, it's just a sort of a front light, a key light if you want. Can leave that for now. So let me try to change the rim light to get a more of a blue light. And as you can see, I'm not really worried right now about what colors I'm using. I'm just trying to do something that looks good. I don't know what this is doing, but probably this should be blue, whitish. And now I need, okay, obviously this light, this needs to be blue. Here we go, that's blue light. It's reflecting the water. Alright, it's looking a bit better. They're a bit more inside the scene. There's still a bit of, oh, maybe that's, okay, what is this light doing? Nope. Nope. Could it be this one? Are you my... What are you doing, my darling? Okay, no. Nope. Where's that light coming from? Whoa. Look at these textures, man. This is Quixel. Hey, man, this is so cool. This just looks amazing, man. Alright, I have a problem here with this light. And I'm going to try to figure out by this thing, by just coming here. It's obviously a light coming from here. So probably, what are you doing here? Here we go. We found our problem light. And voila! That's done. Okay. Now we have a blue scene. And everybody is a little bit more inside the scene. And it's looking pretty good. Okay. Looking pretty good here. So, let me see. Whoopsie doopsie. Let's go over here. Okay. I think this guy might be a bit too close. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on this because, to be honest, I don't really know if this project is going ahead. If I'll be able to make this series. I would love to, but this is not something I can really do on spec, I think. I don't know if I can just do it without some funding or some sort of, I don't know, guarantee that I can have distribution for this. What I'm thinking is probably I would go to MIPCOM. MIPCOM is a market for TV series and TV content. Okay. It's a bit dark. I think what I'll do is I'll grab this light and I'll duplicate this light and I'll put this light here. That way I can have a little bit of light in those rocks. And maybe I'll just shine a little bit of light on the plane. Now I see something there. Oh yeah, it's a bit of... It's actually on the texture. Okay, here we go. I moved it a bit. And boom. Okay. That could work, I suppose. See how cool this is? Because I'm just moving this big rock. If I was on set and I said, hey, can we move that rock? Somebody would look at me and say, dude, that's like a 210 rock. We cannot move that rock. And I'm like, oh, okay. But here, I just click a button. Oh man, what I would give to have the sky reflection on the water. Okay, maybe I'll do this. Maybe this is it. I'm just gonna try to live with this. Just trying to see if... Yeah, okay. You could stay there. I just put another guy there. Maybe like there. So this is a rocky place. And this fridge just got stuck there. Okay. You know, there's a lot to like here. Here we go. Just bring the camera down a bit. Even like that. Look at that. A bit heavy on that side. But maybe I can bring this guy down a bit. Like that. How about that? Alright, this is looking pretty good. I just need to figure out what's going on. Ah, yeah, that's the other plane. Intersecting, like universes touching each other. So I want to get rid of that plane. Aha! Can live with that. It would be nice to have a light coming from there. Here we go, people. He wants changes again. Yes, I do. Because I'm an artist. And the artist creates art. It's like super dark. So what I'll do is... okay. Let's just put a light. I have to solve this with the light. So here we go. Light there. Looking a bit strange. Let's go. Put a blue light. This is actually pretty good because it actually, it's like it's reflecting from the water. So this is not a, it's not a bad idea to put a light here. Here you go. Alright. Can live with that. Let me build the light and see what happens. Here we go. This is the first screenshot I'm gonna make. So now I'll just put this in full screen. Here we go. And now I'll get the snipping tool. Snip, snip. Here we go. New. Boom. Boom. Okay, that's one. Get out of the way. Save this guy. New scene one. There we go. Doesn't look too bad. And now what I normally do, I just kind of move the camera a bit and just try to get angles that I think are interesting. I just ended up in the same angle that where I was. But let's do a wider shot. Like that. Get rid of this. Like that. Okay. I'll do this one. Alright. 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 New. Boom. Let's go. To avoid the question mark there. And what's that? Oh yeah, okay. Save. New scene 2. Okay. Let's do another one. What was I going to try to do? I was envisioning something. Ooh, this looks really bad. No, we can't do this. Maybe something closer to the water. I think this would be a good shot, like a good reveal shot. Okay, something like that. Maybe I'll just change that guy. Put that guy there. Alright, doesn't matter. Alright, let's go. Lighting needs to be rebuilt. This is because I moved this light that had some static light on it, or stationary light. But I'll just avoid that. Doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe I'll do some of that. Boom. Kazoom. Alright, save. New scene 3. Okay. So these are the images I made. That's one. It's not too bad. And then second one, pretty much the same, just a bit wider. And the third one, which is the same as the first one. Anyway, what a waste of time. So thanks for watching, and I'll show you the final result after this. All right, we're back. I was in Photoshop and did a bit of work here, just made it a bit more cartoonish, just so it goes in line with what I'm trying to do with the Pitch Bible, which is sell an idea before it's completed. So I think this works really well, and I can probably write put some text here explaining a little bit of the story and the plot and what's going to happen. The first test I did was this, but I thought this was too extreme because you lose information there. It's too out there, so I just reduced the effect a bit, and I just did this in the end. And then I also applied all the transformations I did on the other one through an action to this one, so I can use this as a background image somewhere there as well. Okay, I hope this was useful for someone who wants to use Unreal Engine to create cool visuals. I'm even thinking this could be good for comic books and people who want to actually produce like very stylized comic books. You can use Unreal Engine for that. All right, everyone, if you have questions, let me know, and I'm happy to answer if I know the answer. And have a good day.